Hey, hello everybody, welcome back to Summon Night Swordcraft Story 1. So, I'm going to continue this playthrough because I am making new weapons on the side quest because of the game. Because of technical difficulties I have. Like, I was really stuck in this game. Okay, what should I do next? Okay, items, I need those things. Wait, where's Razzie? Wait, where should I go? Where should I find her? Man, this game is so hard to play. Hard to follow game, huh? Gladius. Oh! Gladius, alright. Okay, wait. The other one is Knuckle type. Okay. Gladius. Okay, I will give it to Sakura, I guess. If I give it to Sakura, so I don't have the Mystic Core, so I didn't activate it. Stupid me. At least I can still win, even though I don't have elemental swords. That's the hardest thing I would play for now. This is the first playthrough though, so I wonder if the weapon for the match is ready. This is, I think it's just so. It's a bit rough, but it's slightly better than your previous ones. Have a nice match. Thank you, I will. And about those twins, they have great teamwork, but you and your guardian beast have teamwork just as good as theirs. You should be confident. I've seen you. I know how well you two fight. There's no doubt about it. Okay, well, do it, Cootie. Cootie! Oh man, Cootie. Cute guardian beast. Oh dear Lord. Okay. Oh. What? Wait, what? What happened? I will edit this out too because it's already shown, so it will not be repeated again. I will edit it a little. That's the best word I can describe. Sorry for lack of better word. Okay, my first weapon. Nope, remove. Okay, remove. Spark Gladius. Okay, nice. So, you're from the Silver Brigade? Okay. Yes, I'm ready. I can't believe you actually came after everything I said to discourage you from coming. I couldn't find you anywhere before the match. I thought you had dropped out down from the tournament. Well, I said no, wow. Stop, it's useless for you to argue with Mami. I'm the one you'll be fighting with. I can see you put a lot of effort into making your new weapon, but it's all in vain. It won't affect us all. No. Well, these bastards will eat their words. Yes. I hope you all do your best and have a match that any craft knight could be proud of. The first round of the tournament, Ariel vs Prati. Ready? Go! Oh man. Ow, what the f- Okay. This kid, okay. Yes! Successful casting. Nice. Ow. There you go. You will eat your words, kid. There you go. If you want more, come and get it. It's free service. There. Don't always be high and act high and mighty. There are more better people than you. Mariel. Yeah. Defense. You see now how weak you are. No way, we lost. I can't believe your teamwork was that bad. Hehe, I'm definitely getting stronger. So, you will admit I'm a craft knight now, won't you? Well, I guess so. It's not like I have any other choice. Hey, we're all from the Silver Guild after all. Shouldn't we be getting along with each other? Besides, that we're all girls, let's just be friends. She's strange. Yeah, really. I passed the 4th round, but everybody is so strong. I have to train a lot more. Kuti! You say that, but what kind of training should I be doing? Oh, no. I can't seem to find the answer. I need to clear my head. I know. I'll go for a walk. With Master Sakura. I'm going to the Central Tower. What's going on? You can come in except during business hours. I'm sorry. Oh, it's alright. Oh, by the way, you did good today, although it wasn't perfect. You did beat those twins, so congratulations. Hehehe. I'm already in the 4th round, but I can only think of winning. Lassie has a dream. She wants to make the town full of flowers. Sanari is motivated by a drive to make the world better for Maybelline. I'm like, my only focus is on helping my friends to make their own dreams come true. I feel that my own dreams aren't being fulfilled at all. Master Shintetsu said the same thing. Yes, in exactly those words. He kept saying that until his death, there's no doubt about it. You're definitely Master Shintetsu's kid. To make people's dreams come true, this kid doesn't know what a great power that is. Is there a problem, Master Sakura? No, I was just talking to myself. By the way, why are you here? I forgot to ask you. Well, you've given me all this training, but I assume I'll be matched up with stronger opponents next. And if you could, no, I can't. If I do any more for you, my support will be out of nothing else but loyalty to your father. Don't worry, many of the other craft lords are willing to support you. They'll be offering you their help soon, okay? I'd better be getting back. Thank you very much. Hey, hi Prati. Oh, Master Sakura. The messenger boy from the tower is talking the day off, so I'll give you the message myself. Oh, yes sir. The candidate of Craft Knight Prati, you are permitted to proceed to the semifinals according to the results of the 4th round. Yes, thank you sir. That's it. See you later. Oh, Master Braun! Master Sakura was just here a couple of minutes ago. Oh, really? Is he listening? But he looks happy. Maybe he already made it into the semi-final. Master, you probably already know that. What? Speak up. What are you waiting for? Huh? Master? What? You know what? I tried my best. Although I believe that's great to try your best. You gotta take a break sometimes. Well, actually, it's not good. It's not a good time to let your girl down. Oh, I almost forgot, but I came here to tell you. Take this. It's a new technique for you. Oh, thank you very much. Oh, thank you. Excuse me. Yeah, bet it's for all my little craft knights. I treat you guys great, don't I, huh? Alright, see ya later. Puti Master. He was acting a little strangely, wasn't he? He was in good mood and very kind, but he didn't listen to me. I don't understand. What happened to him? Yeah, that is really weird. I could say so myself. Okay. Okay, let's explore the dungeon again. Wait, let me interact with him again. Wait, where is he? I'm taking a break. Would you like to have a drink with me? It's hot and I know you must be thirsty. Thank you. Oof. A very zealot guy. Phew, that was so close. I almost lapped it into the furnace. I'm so tired. I worked all night yesterday. Okay? I really messed up. I changed a very important item of mine into materials. It was a ring my boyfriend gave me. You should be careful when you make materials too. Of course. Hi Prati, how's weapon forging with Kutika coming along? My guardian is my best friend. We're a perfect pair. Excuse me. I saw Master Braun sleeping face by accident but at that time, I didn't know whether or not he was asleep. It was very scary. Okay. Oh, wait. He's not here though. Where is he? Wait. other rooms. Oh, nothing here. Okay, that is weird. I heard that 3 summons were sent to the labyrinth to get passers out, but it seems that other summon creatures have crept in there. Okay. Everyone has only bad things to say about the Gold Guild, but if it weren't for them, Western would be nothing more than a poor county. Bruh. You really? Hey girl, you beat Mariel, right? Recently, the city has become more lively since people heard lots of good news. Earthquakes still worries us though. Yeah. Kids should be cheerful, not too mischievous. But not too mischievous, right? Yeah. I'm going to be class night to my start to build that. Yours can succeed at after watching several of Sanaris wins. Congratulations for her. Wait. What? Wait. Where is Braun? Hi, you live in the city, right? I'm looking for rare cats from various cities. The cats from Western are very rare because they only live in this area. Huh? You don't think they're rare? Okay, listen, they have characteristics, ear shapes, nose shapes, eye colors, and so on. Anyway, I'm busy looking for someone to sell me those cats. I'll see you later. There you go. Ow. Nice. Nice damage. I never thought I would have mystic powers. At least. Wait, what? Where's this? Ow. Okay. Still locked. Wait. How can I unlock that thing? I should. Oh man. Ow. There you go. Sorry, my mom was dreaming. My mom was dreaming about something, so if there is any noise or if she has nightmares, so I wake her up. Ow! 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 Anyways, Mystic Core again. Okay. Another one. Oh! Okay. Another one. Wait, what happened? Okay. Ow! Okay. I do really need more materials. Okay. Okay, dead. Okay. Where should I descend now? Wait, I saw... Ow. So... Okay. This is what you want? Okay. I will give it to you. There you go. Oh, another Mystic Core. Nice. This is the hardest thing. This is the hardest thing I'm going to do. Finding a new path. unplug the charger. Okay. Continue. There you go. Big fur ball. Alright. Oh god damn it. Oh. Wait, what? Where should I go? Oh, okay. Meron. There is one. There is one pathway. Okay, you're scared now. Okay, fine. Found you. Okay, this is going to be the hard part, I think. Finding descent. Finding a way to descend. There you go. Okay, found a few. Okay. There you are. Okay, this is my last destination, I think, on the... Oh, ow! If the sword was the Holy Spirit from Parista, that is the... Oh, ow, ow, ow! That is stuck on... Ow! the way out though. Okay. Very one. There you go. The There you go, dead. Okay. Okay. There you go. Okay, nice. Where should I go? Okay, I am stuck. Wait, should I trigger the if I create a new sword I think? Okay, let's create weapons. Sword. Okay. Let's create. Yes. Yes. Okay. Yes, I knew it. Hey Prati, how's your forging coming along? Master, Puti, I need to make a delivery to Amaris. My mother? My mother? What is it? If it's... Huh? I got some fresh fruit to seize on. My sister sent them to me. Alright, I'll deliver those for you. Don't be stupid. What's wrong, Master? Why are you so upset? Just Prati, I have to see your mom and make a report about ya. It's very important. Okay? Alright, why don't you tell me what? Well, is that urgent stuff? Not really. Don't know. Well, when do you want to leave then, Master? I kinda want to leave as soon as possible. Okay, let's leave now. Alright. Now I can meet Amaris to make that report about you. I think he just wants to talk to my mother. One of our trap knights, Razi, is completely stuck on Prati. Oh, really? Excuse me, master. And besides, the son of the Gold Guild fell in love with her. All the boys think she's hot. Yeah, because she's your daughter. Master, but it's not as hot as me, though. Oh, why don't you marry soon? No, I couldn't fall in love with just any woman. Well, maybe there's one, and she's master. What? Let me speak, Prati. I don't you consider my feelings and what? Oh, by the way, I know a guy who knows about your dad. He was one of your father's best friends. Oh, are you sure? Oh, are you sure, master? I'm sure you wanna. Oh, I go here. Oh, sorry. He's a narrow-minded old guy. Lives in Upper Western. What's his name? One lives there but him. I'll see if you go there. Wait a minute, Patty. I want to ask you to take something to him if we go there. Thank you. Here it is. Be careful. Alright, see you later. Well, enjoy your time, Master Braun. Master took a pretty cheesy step to get with the bus. What do you think, Kuti? You can tell? Well, okay. Let's go see the old man who lives on the upper level. Excuse me. I'm pretty sleepy, huh? There you go. Wait. Where is he? Okay, nope. That's That's adult woman. Old. I mean. Choices, but no, I need 5 agility and attack. Oh dear. I am so sleepy. I'm fighting the rabbit. Okay. Maybe I will go to this place. Nah. Excuse me. houses have been built here yet? I've never heard of anyone living here. Well, I saw that someone was getting in and out through the entrance stairs at the other side. Okay, here. Okay. No. Wait, where is that? Here? No. Who is it? Very few people ever bother to come here. Excuse me. It's a package from Brown and Amaris. Oh, is it? Thank you. Are you Kuti? Kuti! Yes, indeed. It has been a really long time. Well, so that would make you... excuse me, is anything on my face? You are Prati, aren't you? Yes, I am. How does he know who I am? Oh, is that so? You have the same eyes as Shintetsu. Let me see your hands. You have nice hands. I can read that you have strong vitality and wisdom. You don't have 4 kids. Oh, can you read palms? Yes, more or less. Haha. More or less. Well, you sure have nice hands. You can see that you are working very hard. These are certainly apprentice top knight's hands. Thank you very much. Shintetsu used to tell me that his daughter would be a better craftsman than him. I suppose that could be true. Sir, would you mind telling me about my father? It'd be a long story. It's the story of the 3 swords and 10 men and women. I'm the hero of the story, of course. Did you say you were the hero, old man? You said old man? No, I didn't say that. Well, actually I did, but I didn't mean it. I'm just kidding. I'll tell you the story about your father in bits and pieces. So to begin with, go see the person who appears in the beginning of the story. Take this key. You'll see more of your father's story if you open the door that can be unlocked with that key. And can you get me some Dragon Fang ore on the way? Yeah, he's the very master's and mother's friend. He's such a slave driver as they are. I hope this key will unlock. Excuse me. I hope this key will unlock another key. The father, where the sword of his father stays. Oh, your brother, right? Congratulations on passing the 4th round. Present the Vincent Travesty to all remaining contestants. You can check all the information regarding the salmon creatures that you have met before by using the bestiary. It's a pretty useful item. Of course, any information about stray summons, use it from now on. be added to the list. You don't have to worry about that. In addition, you can exchange item or use the rewards that you obtain in the battle holding hold. Okay. Nope, I will not use that. I cannot use that actually. Gladius. Itchy. Okay, this weapon, remove this part. Okay, Zantetsu, Repu. Okay. So you have come. Come here. I thought that you would arrive shortly. Pardon me, who are you? I'm the person who appears in the story about your father. What? My father's? Yes, the story of the craft lord of Ayame, who fought to protect the city of swords and the people who live in this city. There were many people. Many craft knights were there as well as a girl who opened the door by mistake, a man who fought to protect her, one of their friends, and the man's pupil, a beast that helped the man, an ice spirit, and the women who loved the man, and the one woman the man loved, 3 swords that watched it all. The story is something like that. I don't know that all really. I don't know much about my father. That man was certainly brave. The reason why your father's position of craft lord was vacant for 3 years is that everyone who saw the events knew that your father was a hero. So my father was a hero. Well, yes, he was. That's all I can tell you right now. Thank you very much. Now the ore that he is looking for is beyond that door. Beyond the door over there. Good luck. Huh? Good luck. A mystical light shines from the sword. Thank you very much, Miss. Okay. Okay. Nothing. Am I looping? No. I think, okay. Pulling fun. Okay. Ooh. Ow, ow, ow. There you go, dead. Nice, 2 ores. Okay. Very nice. Oh man. Okay. By the way, everyone, I experienced, there was an earthquake in the middle of the day, like 12:17 p. 12:15 or between there, 12:15 or 12:17 p.m. Like when my phone rings, like ring ring like that. No, like you know the siren, like from you know, like there's some nuclear bombings happen like that. I know I am just, you know, fear-mongering it like that, but it's like that sound I can describe. But when that happened, oh my god, the earthquake, ooh, the house swinging a little, like in a milliseconds, like between milliseconds or 2 seconds, I think. Like, oh, okay. When I said it to my mom, like she was very shocked. Like, hey, how? Wait, how your phone did know that there's an I don't know, but maybe they base it on satellite images or something, or seismic event happening like that. They really pinpoint it, like in the map, Google Maps. I was like, oh man, I was like, technology really leaps and bounds nowadays. I can't describe the feeling of it, but oh man, technology, especially AI. Okay, I was like, back in the day, I was thinking of what's it? I was thinking of something like that. I wasn't thinking of something Terminator-esque style, like they will rebel to humans like that. But oh dear, I was like, oh man, the story of Terminator is very scary. I'm not gonna lie though. I know it's fiction, but oh dear, the messaging was very profound for me. Like, oh, when robots takes control, they will destroy everything like that. I was like, yeah, it's very true. Like in Facebook, like Meta's Facebook, Google's Gemini, OpenAI, ChatGPT, like that. Oh, I got really shivering in my tenders. I was so scared. Like, oh dear. Like one time I couldn't sleep a week like that. The whole night I couldn't went to sleep. Like because of my overthinking of like what would happen this and that. something like that. Okay. Oh. Yeah. And by the way, there are many lists of games I wrote because I need to list some things that I need to play and finish. I'm not no kidding here, but this is my way where I play my backlogs like that. Like, wow, this is the way I am going to do. I am going to continue my backlogs. But I will play some horror games when it's October. Okay. I hope I have it. Okay. Okay. I don't have it. Okay. Ow. Okay. Some grades. Okay, what is this amulet? No, not yet. I want to use it, but I don't have any spare. Okay, only one. Okay. Okay, save. I need some healing. Okay, thank you. Ow. Ow. Ooh. Save. Yes. Do not turn off. Power off. Okay. Oh. Okay, it's powerful more. The lightning is powerful more than wind. Yeah. Technically. Yeah. Okay, nice. I hope I find a teleporter. Ow. Hmm. Should I? There you go. Ow. Okay, nice. Okay. Oh, some bridge looks built now. Scooty! Let's try our best, Scooty. I hope you die. Okay. Ow! You son. Okay. Nice. Two times on. Then. Win! That's a little cheat on the weapon. I meant on the weapon. Okay. Yeah. This. Nice. Ah, it's the dragon fang or Scooty. Yeah, let's take it. Oh man. Wait a sec. Was that someone protecting this? I got to deliver the where I found. Okay. Okay, after that, stop being. Okay. This is the last day, so. It's always guaranteed to get. Congratulations, you seem to have defeated that summon creature. Does that mean you knew about that huge summon creature? That I did, but he just wanted to train you his way. And I think I can entrust you with this. What will you entrust to me? Come here. Oh! This is the Western sword? Really? Draw the sword. What? Tuti! Draw it quickly. Do it! Alright. Came out. Now you must keep the Western sword, Ratty. Wait a minute. No. Word got out that the sword was here and that I have found it. So I rely on you. But I don't get it. What the hell? Hey, wait. She's gone. Anyway, let's get out of here and take this to the old man. What the hell? Was that for? Wait. Back to recording. Okay, nice. Okay. Oh man, really? It's you, Pratty. Are you going into the laboratory? Yeah, I have a match soon. I have learned from our last battle and started forging weapons again. It's hard to reach the summit harder than I thought. It's fun, right? Yeah, it's fun seeing all the people get depressed looking at my weapons. All the people get depressed, huh? Still pretty competent just like I thought. But I don't think I've reached your skill level. I'll never lower my guard until I defeat you. Farewell. Okay. I think he's overestimating me. Tuti. He really needs some spanking. Okay. Wait, where's the old man? Okay, this is the end of the playthrough for now, everybody. Thank you for watching, and goodbye, everybody. Have a great day.